danas igramo Skyrim. Izvinite što nisam uploadovao neke snimke. Škola je kriva za to. Promenio se ovaj zakon i sad moramo da idemo popodne. Izvinite zbog toga. Izgubio sam save file za naš stari Skyrim epizode. Tako da neću da krajem iz početak, nego ću da igram, napravit ću novog karaktera i igrat ću sa Companions. Čim izađem da idem kod Companions, samo da se napravimo prvo. Ko mi se čini kao Companion, kao da je neki snažan? Znam, crveni čuvar. Sviđa mi se. Ne, tako. Ime. Rocker. O, ne! Ukucao sam 2 puta.
What are you doing here, Redguard? You a sellsword? A sailor from Stosmekhi?
Rocker.
Captain, what should we do? He's not on the list.
Forget the list. He goes to the block.
Zovem se
By orders, Captain.
Rocker.
I'm sorry. We'll make sure he remains returned to Hammerfell. Follow the captain, prisoner.
I'm a follow the captain. Let's go. Hajde. Nešto se koči.
Ulfric Stormcloak. Some here in Helgen call you a hero, but a hero doesn't use a power like the voice to murder his king and usurp his throne. You started this war, plunged Skyrim into chaos, and now the Empire is going to put you down and restore the peace.
What was that?
It's nothing. Carry on.
Yes, General Tullius. Give them their last rites.
As we commend your souls to Aetherius, blessings of the 8 divines upon you.
For the love of Talos, shut up and let's get this over with.
Our beloved... As you wish.
Come on! I haven't got all morning. My ancestors are smiling at me, Imperials. Can you say the same?
Chop. And there goes his kid.
You Imperial bastards!
Justice!
Death to the Stormcloaks!
This
As fearless in death as he was in life.
Next, the Red Guard.
There it is again. Did you hear that?
I said, next, prisoner.
To the block, prisoner. Nice and easy.
Hajde.
What in oblivion is that?
Sentries, what do you see?
It's in the clouds!
Dragon!
Guards, get the townspeople to safety!
Hey, Redguard! What is that thing? Could the legends be true?
Legends don't burn down villages.
Znam priču. Ide gore. Pukne. No. Sad skočim dole. Ide. O Bože.
See the inn on the other side.
Daj mi da skočim.
Jump through the roof and keep going.
Sad.
Go!
Ajde.
We'll follow when we can.
Što mi ne daje da skačem? Konačno. I šta?
Just walk towards me. Come on. Hammond, you need to get over here. Now! That boy, you're doing great. Toro! God! Everyone get back! Still alive, prisoner? Keep close to me if you want to stay that way. Gunnar, take care of the boy. I have to find General Tullius and join the
Sve
defense.
što daju.
Gods guide you, Hadvar.
Nema veze.
Stay close to the wall!
Aha.
General Tullius, over here.
Ovdje ja.
Into the keep, soldier! We're leaving!
You and me, prisoner. Stay close.
What does it take to kill this
Out of my way!
We're escaping, Hadvar. You're not stopping us this time.
Still coming. Fine. I hope that dragon takes you all to Sovngarde.
You, come on! Into the keep!
With me, prisoner. Let's go.
I can cut you loose inside! Come on!
Ajmo.
Wait!
Šta be zmaj?
There he goes. Looks like he's gone for good this time. No way to know if anyone else made it out alive. But this place is going to be swarming with Imperials soon enough. We better clear out of here. My sister, Gerda, runs the mill in Riverwards, just up the road. I'm sure she'd help you out.
Aha.
It's probably best if we split up. Good luck. I wouldn't have made it without your help today.
Sad treba da ovo da izabere. Požuri. Pošto ću da budem kompanjon, izabrat ću ratnika. Da, to. Ajde.
These are the Guardian Stones. 3 of the 13 ancient standing stones that dot Skyrim's landscape. Warrior, good. Those stars will guide you to honor and glory.
A, evo stigo sam. Potočimo malo. Nema ga rola. Nema veze.
A dragon! I saw a dragon!
What? What is it now, Mother?
It was as big as the mountain and black as night. It flew right over the barrel.
Da, da, da. Laž.
Dragons now, is it? Please, Mother. If you keep on like this, no one in town will...
A, evo je.
New to Riverwood? If you look... Raylov? How do you know him? You did? We heard that Ulfric was captured. No, sorry. But in times like these, I can't just take the word of a stranger who wanders into town claiming to be my brother's friend. A dragon? In Helgen? It can't be. Although, it would explain what I saw earlier, flying down the valley from the south. I thought I must have just been seeing
Okreni se.
things.
Gledaj me u oči i mora da me.
I don't know why, but I actually believe you. You've got the look of someone who's just seen a dragon. Things just go from bad to worse. First the war, now dragons. What's this world coming to? The Jarl needs to know if there's a dragon on the loose. River, we need to get word to Jarl Balgruuf in Whiterun to send whatever troops he can. If you'll do that for me, I'll be in your debt.
Ali isto duranje, nego ću da idem tamo. I da se udružim sa kompanjoncima. Hejde me, imperijalac. Bežim kuško. Niko da me ne vidi. Biću kuško. Ujebilo. Ne znam još nisam pavila. Ne mrdej. Koje? Kako smo vidjeli? Kokoške... Oh fuck. Ovo hlave... O ne! Na ceo Whiterun. Ja sam mislio samo Riverwood.
Certainly not. But a true warrior would have relished the opportunity. That's why I'm here, with my shield brothers.
Da.
All right then.
Sad ću ti imam kompaniju se, ona je... O, šta beš to? O ne. Samo ću da priđem do njih i da spuštim oružje. Evo gledaj, vidi, spušti se oružje.
Committed crimes against Skyrim and her people. What say you in your defense? Smart man. Now come along with us.
What was that?
Those two at it again? We'll wear them out. Hey, watch it.
You think you stand a chance?
Get in there and push. Gods, no! Just keep swinging.
Going to enjoy killing you.
Stop. Yeah! Pobedila to žena,
I
aha.
haven't seen you before, have I? Have we met?
I tako, ništa se nije desilo, ajmo da nastavimo. Besplatne stvari. Hehehe. Šta još ima su krate? Umri pare, aj.
I'd be dead if not for Vignar. Took me in and helped me turn my life around.
Da. Ne, može napolje. Hajde.
You don't belong here. What do you think you have to offer? What now? You don't just waddle in here and get to speak to the boss. Who do you think you are? If you want to embarrass yourself, I won't stop you. Kodlak is the Harbinger. He's the closest thing you'll find to a leader around here.
Znao sam da je dole, ali nisam otišao.
Seen you before, have I? Have we met? What do you want? Yeah.
But I still hear the call of the blood.
We all do.
It is our burden to bear, but we can overcome.
You have my brother and I, obviously. But I don't know if the rest will go along quite so easily.
Leave that to me. A stranger comes to our hall. Would you now? Here, let me have a look at you. Yes, perhaps.
I'm
A certain
sexy.
strength of spirit.
Oh yeah.
Master, you're not truly considering accepting him.
Nije te ništa
I
pitati.
am nobody's master, Vilkas. And last I checked, we had some empty beds in Jorvaskr for those with a fire burning in their hearts.
Apologies. But perhaps this isn't the time. I've never even heard of this outsider.
Sometimes the famous come to us. Sometimes men and women come to us to seek their fame. It makes no difference. What matters is their heart.
Aha.
And their arm.
Of course. How are you in battle, boy?
You dare question my skill.
Calm down there, Wilp. Don't feel like you need to show off for our sake.
Oh yeah.
Vilkas here will be the one testing your mettle.
Oh.
Vilkas, take him out to the yard and see what he can do.
Aye.
Aj. Ajde. Brže. Kreći. Ustaj. Brže samo tebe. Ovo beše nazad ili... Jeste. Ovo čekaj. Sad sam spreman. Navali.
The old man said to have a look at you. So, let's do this. Just have a few swings at me so I can see your form. Don't worry, I can take it. Never should have come here.
Oh fuck.
I could take him.
Look slow.
Come at me. You couldn't hurt me if you wanted to.
Aha. Druga be.
Not that. You
Oh,
might
ne.
just make it.
Dobre.
But for now, you're still a whelp to us, new blood. So you do what we tell you. Here's my sword. Go take it up to Yorland to have it sharpened. And be careful. It's probably worth more than you are.
Mama nie ma, nie ja. Wiem kakav je mač. Ne.
What brings you here? I'm guessing you're the newcomer then.
Yeah.
Oh, don't worry too much about it. They were all whelps once. They just might not like to talk. And don't always just do what you're told. Nobody rules anybody in the Companions.
Oh yeah.
Wait, before you go, I have a favor to ask. I've been working on a shield for Aela. My wife is in mourning and I need to get back to her soon. I'd be much obliged if you could take this to Aela for me. This isn't a command, just decency. I have a favor to ask. I've been working on a shield for Aela.
There.
What are you doing that for?
Što nisam pitao.
I'd be dead if not for Vignor. Took me in and helped me turn my life around.
What is it now?
Oh, I'm just a servant, dear. You want to talk?
Damn.
I haven't seen you before, have I? Have we met? I'm sorry if I've forgotten.
If you wish to hunt with me, your feet need to be quick and your eyes quicker. Ysgramor himself wouldn't have the patience to deal with all the rabble around here. I'm waiting. Ah, good. I've been waiting for this. Wait, I remember you. So the old man thinks you've got some heart, I guess.
You know this one? I saw him training in the yard with Vilkas.
Circle, we could change how things are.
Ah, yes. I heard you gave him quite a thrashing.
Don't let Vilkas catch you saying that.
Lording it over us all.
Do you think you could handle Vilkas in a real fight?
Oh yeah.
Whoa, he's up there. We're rough, but there's no need to kill a shield brother over a dispute. I like your fire, though. You'll make a fierce companion. Let us hunt together sometime. Here, let's have Farkas show you where you'll be resting your head.
Farkas.
Did you call me?
Of course we did, Icebrain. Show this new blood where the rest of the whelps sleep.
New blood? Oh, I remember you. Come on, follow me.
Nie, pa ja ne znam tebe. Idemo. Kreći.
Are you on the hunt?
Aha. Neću da ga pritičem. Sigurela.
Skjor and Ayala like to tease me, but they're good people. They challenge us to be our best. The quarters are up here. Just pick a bed and fall in it when you're tired. Tell me we'll keep the place clean.
Ah, fresh blood. Hope you know how to handle yourself.
It gets boring here sometimes.
Wait.
Need something?
Ne. Wait.
This can be a rough life.
Wait. Ne. Koji mu treba?
All right, so here you are. Looks like the others are eager to meet you. Come to me or Ayala if you're looking for work. Once you've made a bit of a name for yourself, Skjor and Vilkas might have things for you to do. Good luck. Welcome to the Companions.
Oh yeah.
By the way, if you're looking for something to do, we've got trouble right here in Whiterun Hold. Nothing we can't handle. It's a problem with the Forsworn. Unpredictable, unknowable, and dangerous. Be careful. Good. Do not spare them your blade.
Oh ne, čekaj. To su oni ja. Oh, gotov sam. Sad mogu da reagujem u bilo koji. Da.
I was the newest companion until you came along. I guess that's okay. Just means I can show you the ropes. Oh, hey there. I killed a bear yesterday. Did you kill anything?
Wow.
Until next time.
Ima još neko. Budi se.
The latest recruit, right? Wait, is that right? Yeah.
I avoid going to Eastmarch if I can. Something in the air. I think it's just too close to the border. I can teach you a few things.
Koliko košta? Konačno sam se pridružio ovim kompanjonsima i sad mogu da uzimam sve, da? Da, mogu.
Be careful. I'd be dead if not for Vignor. Took me in and helped me turn my life around. You still need to prove yourself, Whelp.
Čuti.
All these younglings scampering around.
I had a bad
Worried
time
one
a
of
few
them is going
years
to
back.
take your place?
I turned
Znate li vi ko
green.
sam ja?
Some of
Sam
them
brat
ignore
Kirbe.
That's not what I'm
Wouldn't let
worried
me
about.
stay weak.
I've heard... What then?
That they might get themselves killed.
By you?
They should be so lucky.
Blood running
Over your
hot?
body.
Blood running hot?
A ne to, više. Ovo se ne može podignuti. Ups.
Are you on the hunt?
Jedi.
Are you on the hunt?
Are you in the hunt? Evo bože.
Are you looking for help with something? This is a busy time.
Out with it.
Ode. Ponovno što sam se pridružio Companionsima, u idućoj epizodi ću ići da ubijem ovog vladara Forsfona. Tako nešto, ne znam ja. Pošto ste kao vi moji gledalci, pošto vidim da svaki YouTube kanal, ne svaki, neki, ima wow. Ništa, nema veze. Pošto svako ima ime za svoje gledalce, ja sam mislio da imam i ja. A pošto se moj kanal zove Serbian Gaming, mislio sam da vas zovem Uniteri, ako vam to ne smeta. Uniteri. Mislim da smo došli do kraja epizode. Lajkujte ako vam se snimak svidao, subscribe ako želite još. Goodbye, Uniters!